In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list to Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking to migrate your existing customer list to Klaviyo, you'll find this guide incredibly handy. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and click on the login button. This is a straightforward step but essential to kickstart the process. If you don't have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you've reached the login page, you're prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to input the credentials that you used when you initially set up your Klaviyo account. Should you encounter any login issues, remember there's always a password reset link or support to get you through. After logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the Klaviyo dashboard, your central hub for all things email marketing. The dashboard is quite intuitive, but for our specific task today, we're interested in the audience section. Navigate to the audience tab from your dashboard. Here you'll find segments, profiles, and importantly for us, lists. Lists are crucial in email marketing as they enable you to segment your audience based on various criteria, making your campaigns more targeted and effective. Next up, look for the lists and segments option and give it a click. This page shows you all the lists and segments you have created, but since we're focusing on bringing a new list into Klaviyo, let's proceed by clicking on Create List segment. Here's where the magic begins. Clicking on Create New opens up a new window asking for details about your new list. You'll need to provide a name for your list, make it descriptive enough so you can easily identify its purpose at a glance. This could be anything from newsletter subscribers to summer sale contacts. After filling in the necessary list details, hit the Create List button. Just like that, you've laid the groundwork for your new marketing campaign. But of course, a list without contacts is like a car without fuel, so let's get to importing. With your list now created, locate and click on Manage Lists. This option lets you dive deeper into list management functionalities, including the all-important Import Contacts. Upon clicking Import Contacts, you're one step closer to populating your new list. The interface will guide you to where you can upload your contact file. Klaviyo supports CSV or TXT files for imports, ensuring a smooth transition of your data. Before proceeding, ensure your file is formatted correctly, with email addresses and any other necessary information nicely columned. Now click on Upload to select the file you've prepared. Take your time to ensure you're uploading the correct file. With email marketing, accuracy is key. Following the upload, click on Next. This action will take you through a series of prompts asking you to map the fields in your file to the corresponding fields in Klaviyo, such as email addresses, first names, and more. Proper mapping is crucial for personalizing emails and segmenting your list effectively. By following these steps, you're not only importing contacts into Klaviyo, but also setting the stage for more targeted, personalized, and ultimately more effective email marketing campaigns. Remember, the quality of the data you import directly impacts your campaign's success, so always double check for accuracy. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on how to get your contacts into Klaviyo, setting you up for email marketing success. Whether you're just starting or looking to boost your email marketing game, knowing how to import contacts efficiently can save you time and enhance your marketing efforts. Remember, consistency is key in email marketing. Keep your lists clean, regularly update your contacts, and always strive for personalized, relevant content for your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your email marketing efforts. See you in the next video.